Hello, this is Shep here at the Sun Valley Auto Club. I'm going to walk you around this 2021 Mercedes-Benz 3500 Sprinter with the dual rear wheels. Has the 3.0 V6 turbo diesel in it. It only has just about 3,400 miles. 3,399 to be exact. It's had one owner. This one is titled as a 21. If you were to decode the VIN, you'll find out that Mercedes built this, the Sprinter and the chassis, in 2020. Then it went directly over to Winnebago, and so it's a full factory build. We'll jump on the inside, and they turned it into this gorgeous van as you see it. So that work was done in 2020, the full factory build on this ERA. So titled as a 21. This is the extended length, extended van, high roof. Can't wait to jump in the inside and show you that, but we'll cruise around the outside first. Couple pointers is as shown on the photos. That ladder right there is just a storage spot. That is not a climbing spot. That's not a spot to access the roof where you could damage the rear doors. But all you do is you unscrew that, which that is locking so nobody steals your ladder, and then you can put it on top of that frame rail and access that from any point. It's super lightweight. Just hook the upper portion, hooks right on that rail, and climb on up. Up there right now is just the factory solar panels. You've got two different solar panels that keep your house batteries charged, and you have your AC unit on top there as well. So all your propane, water, etc. is accessed on the driver's side. But with such few miles, just wanted to show, as the photos do as well, of just how gorgeous, clean, accident-free this is. And that extends to the interior as well. Plush front seats. You do have a full leather seats, and those are the driver's, at least, is an air ride seat. Nice rich mahogany brown. We've got the passenger seat obviously flipped around, and the camping setup. That seat is removable if you don't need that. If you want extra space inside, you've got that. So back here you've got your power. And just turn that on, and then everything just comes on. All your functions for gray water is all on board there. Touch screen, thermostat, etc. is all just touch screen, super easy to use. Awning control's also down there as well. You have another set of lights back here. So when I'm cruising back here is to show you. So you got your two front positions. That's a seatbelt position, and then this bench right here, you've got three other seatbelts. I have those tucked away right now, but you can actually sit back here too. So I've got the table out, so this would be just your chill spot. Table can also go right here. So you got a couple different options there. I'm going to set this for now, and I'll show you why. So you've got the full kitchen. I'm 6 foot. I can stand up and still have about 3 inches above my head. Really nice cabinets. Those are all storage all the way down. So lots of storage. You got the TV, audio. Those are all your manuals. I've got photos of all the manuals. And this would be your more of your true closet with a rack right there, or a it's not a rack, but you know what it is. That's where you can hang hangers. And you do have a full bathroom on board in here as well. So these doors have a little half fold, so you can still actually access front and back. So you've got full sink, shower, and toilet. You lose a little bit of the headroom in there. These lights just kick on automatically. So full bath in the mid-cabin position, so you don't lose any of the length for a bathroom. Full sink with a cutting board, propane stove, convection oven right there, and then of course your Nova Cool. Oh, that's your locker, refrigerator, and freezer down below. So everywhere you look, you got lots of storage, with just a really nice finish that'll last. All these lock down, so things aren't moving around, opening on you as you're in transit. So if you don't need the table or don't want it, it lives back here. In just this spot right here. And then underneath here, underneath your bed, which I'm going to show you right now, those are a lot of storage here, but that's your blackout for your front windows. And then you have extra cushions and your onshore power. There's even more storage down low. But the bed is actually really, really comfortable. And that comes down really easy. You do have a couple cup holders here. And this all goes flat. And then your table and that other little piece just fits across here and creates a really large sized bed. So it's nothing that's fully set up all the time, but once you got it all set up, it's really comfortable. I think I would just use it just the way it is, but you could always throw a really thin piece of foam on top, but you got the extra parts. This whole back end just becomes a bed for your nighttime use. You got a screen right there, and when you're not hooked onto shore power, you can turn the fan on, open the windows with full screens, and a really nice looking driver area as well. You know, this is a brand new van, and the finishings just kind of continue to the front as well. So the awning is easy to use. It does have a wind sensor in it. You can use it from that screen up there, or there's a button right down here as well. And that is a wind sensor. Does have a wind sensor, so if it's getting some motion, it'll just bring it in automatically for you. Screen door, full awning with the awning lights. You can imagine a little outdoor rug, couple chairs, and you are living and camping good. That light can be turned off from the inside, but you do have that. Back here, you can close that off as well. Screen, where you also have privacy as well. So obviously oodles and oodles more to this van, but for a quick walkthrough, I'll find out what that sensor is. But for a quick walkthrough, you've got a good idea, or hopefully a better idea, of what this Sprinter is all about. Again, it's the high roof 3500 extended dual rear wheel diesel, low mileage, just gorgeous. A lot of different configurations with that table, front, rear, bed, and then full galley. And of course you've got your full onboard bathroom facilities, shower as well. So this is Shep here at the Sun Valley Auto Club. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me. I can be reached at 208-721-1973. Give me a shout with any questions, and we'll see you on the next video.